How to grow garlic. Step 3. Source fresh garlic. Garlic is grown by planting the cloves, called seeds for our purposes, so to get started all you need to do is buy fresh garlic. Choose garlic from a store or even better, a farm stand or the local farmer's market. It's very important that the garlic bulbs chosen are fresh and of high quality. If you can, choose organic garlic so that you avoid garlic that has been sprayed with chemicals. Choose fresh garlic bulbs with large cloves. Avoid garlic that has become soft. Each clove will sprout into a garlic plant, so keep that in mind when you're figuring out how many heads to buy. If you have some garlic at home that has sprouted, that's great to use. Nurseries also offer garlic bulbs for planting. Visit a nursery if you want to get a specific variety or to get advice on local conditions for garlic. Mail-order catalogs and online seed stores offer many types of garlic and will include specific planting instructions for the type of seed you buy.